guys, so today I'm going to unbox some gifts. Part 2.
Wow!
This is a bit, okay. Thank you, Mama!
Ang cute naman. Puro purple. Shorty. Purple shorts. Wow!
More!
Kailangan gamitin mo yan.
Thank you, Mama!
Regalo yan, tita. Che.
Wow! Wood clips!
Wow! Pag may mga artworks ka, sampay mo. Diyan mo ipit. Wow! Ganda naman yan. Kinang-kinang. What is that?
This,
Balloon.
a balloon.
Ano lang palaman. Nalagay mo lang din. Malilipad ng hangin yan. Wow, may pera.
This.
Okay.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Holographic rainbow.
Holographic. Palang tawag doon. Wow!
Purple clips! Thank you, Mama!
Dami naman. Ako din dapat.
What is
Wala
this?
na. Ay, yun na yun. I think it's done. Keychain. Wow. Okay.
Dada tricked me. This wasn't a snap.
Lagay mo sa bag. Meron pa ba? Wow. Okay na rin yan. Suot-suot din. Pag may time.
Wow!
Ayan, lagay mo. Lucky, lucky, charmy.
Lucky charm.
Car.